So what we have here is Drytac Spot On Floor 200, so a slightly thicker material with a texture to it. Now this is R10 slip rated, so it can be used in a lot of short-term environments, exhibitions being one of them. Okay, and again, as Tom's showing, you've got a spot adhesive on there, so very easy to go down without any air bubbles.
And this is a one-part floor adhesive, whereas traditionally most floor vinyls are a two-part with a laminate on top. So this is much cheaper to produce. Okay, but again, that's not left any residue on the floor.
Yeah, we've had that down for a few hours, haven't we?
Short-term application, really ideal for sort of exhibition environments, things like that, promotional sales. We could put that back down as well. So really just spread it, and then the so really it's easy to put down with that air release adhesive on the back.
Okay. So this being an R10 rated product, that just means it can be used in an environment where it's not liable to get wet. So a retail environment might be a little bit more specialised. You might get some water onto it. For that, you would need a material with a slightly higher slip rating. So we would recommend something around an R12 slip rating. This particular material is a product called Koala Floortex. So it's a polyester material, whereas the other ones are PVCs. This particular material has again got a very textured finish to it.
A much higher slip rating, is it?
Yeah, so it's very tough. Polyester being partially recyclable as well, so a little bit friendlier a material to work with than a PVC, for instance. So this is ideal again for internal graphics, short-term internal graphics, but in more demanding environments such as retail, for instance.
So again, we start it on one edge.
You can hear the texture. Great. Okay, and then the third of the materials that we have for floor graphics, again an R12 slip rated product, but slightly more textured yet again. This particular material is a product called Koala Walk and Wall, and it is also a material that can be used for internal as well as external graphics as well. So a little bit impervious to water. But the one thing you'll notice when Tom takes this back up again, bearing in mind this has been down for a couple of hours, the bond has been forming, this is quite a heavy residue product. So the adhesive tack on this product needs to be quite strong. If it's going to go outside on a smooth surface, it needs to be. Whereas the other materials, they're designed to be a little bit more for short-term display. This one is really a little bit more long-term. Okay. And as you can see, it's probably taking quite a lot to take off. So this is the sort of material that you would apply once, take off, and then start again. That one there, so effectively what we talked about there is 3 different sort of solutions for floor graphics, plus also we'd also recommend if something needs to be a little bit more durable, a 2-part floor graphic would be the way to go as well. So these are great for shorter term, easy to cut graphics for internal and to a certain degree external graphics. But if you want something to go for a high footfall area, go for a 2-part graphic. We have materials such as Drytac Floortac, which is a standard removable self-adhesive vinyl with a textured over laminate to go alongside that, and that works very nicely. And then you're talking about something that's lasting 3 months as opposed to 1 month for floor graphic solutions.